So let's get started. All right, so let's begin. So I'm going to make a knot, and I'm going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and I'm going to slip stitch into the first stitch, slip stitch, and now I have a ring. So I'm going to chain 2. This 2 does not count as a double crochet, and now I'm going to make 12 double crochet into the chain 3 ring. So let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 11, and 12. So slip stitch on top of the first double crochet. Remember, the chain 2 does not count as a stitch, so please slip stitch, and please remember to carry along your tail while you crochet your your 12 double crochet. So slip stitch on top of the first double crochet, and now you have 12 double crochet in the round. So now chain 2 once again, 1, 2. Chain 2 does not count as a stitch. So now we are making 2 double crochet in every stitch. 2 and 1 and 2. So please make 2 double crochet in every stitch, and I'll meet you at the end of the round. So now we're at the end of the round, and please slip stitch on top of the first double crochet, and now we have 24 double crochet because we have 2 double crochet in every stitch. So let's chain 2, and now we're going to go in the sequence of 1 double crochet in the first stitch, 2 double crochet in the next, 1, 2, 1 double crochet in the next, 2 double crochet in the next, 1 double crochet in the next, 2 double crochet in the next. So got into the last stitch, and in the last stitch you should have 2 double crochet in the very last stitch. Okay, and now we're at the end of the round. So slip stitch into the first double crochet, chain 1, and cut off your yarn. And this is our circle. We're done with the circle, and now we're going to introduce the next color. So for the next color, I'm using this purple yarn, and I'm just going to make a slip knot and attach my yarn where I left off. You can attach your yarn on any double crochet, on top of any double crochet, but I want to attach my yarn here so that I can use the ends, tie the ends together. So I'm going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and then I'm going to tie the ends together to secure the yarn, and then I continue crocheting. Please make sure to tie your ends properly. And now I'm done with this. So I'm going to make another double crochet in the same stitch. So now I have 2 double crochet, and this chain 3 that we first made counts as a stitch, and then make another double crochet in the same stitch and chain 1, and then make 2 double crochet in the next stitch. And please remember to carry your tails along as you go so that it's hidden and everything looks neat. Okay, so now we have 2 double crochet, chain 1, 2 double crochet, and we're going to make 1 half double crochet in the next 2 stitches, 1 half double crochet in the next 2 stitches, and then now we're going to make 1 single crochet in the next 3 stitches. So 1, 2, 3, and then again we're going to make 1 half double crochet in the next 2 stitches. So 1 half double crochet, 1 and 2, and now after making the 2 half double crochet, we're going to make 2 double crochet in the next stitch, chain 1, 2 double crochet in the next stitch, and then we have another corner here. So this is 1 and this is 2. So we're going to continue in the sequence. So I'm almost at the end, so I'm going to put 1/2 double crochet in the next 2 stitches, and that is the end of this round. So I'm going to slip stitch on top of the chain 3, and that marks the end of this round. And now our circle is now a square. So next round, you're going to slip stitch into the next double crochet and also slip stitch into the chain 1 space. And next you're going to chain 3, 2, 3, and make another double crochet. So you have 2 double crochet, then chain 2 and 2 double crochet into the chain 1 space. And that's what you have. So you have this corner, and next we're going to make 1 double crochet in every stitch until we get to the next corner. Okay, so don't forget there's this stitch that is hiding here. So you make 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet. So you keep making 1 double crochet in every stitch until you get to the chain 1 space. And now we're at the chain 1 space, and here we're going to make 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet. So 2 double crochet, chain 2, 1, 2, 2 double crochet. And this is what we have. And next we're going to make 1 double crochet in all of the stitches until we get to the next corner. Okay, and then we make 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet. So please continue for the next one of the round until we get to the end of the round, and I'll meet you back at the end of the round. So almost at the end of the round, and I have 2 double crochet left. Remember, we slip stitch in the previous round. We slip stitch in this 2 double crochet. So now you're going to make the last 2 double crochet is the on top of those stitches that you slip stitch on top. So please, it can be a little tight, but try to fix your stitches on top of those double crochet. And that marks the end of this round. Slip stitch on top of the chain 3, chain 1, and then cut off your yarn. And now we have a granny square. So please weave in your yarn tail using your darning needle. I'm going to snip this off, and that's the end of the square.